Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at NFTs. If you are new here, I make animated videos on issues concerning cryptocurrency, so if you like this kind of videos then subscribe and turn on the notification bell not to miss my next great video. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Although concept of NFTs has been around since the early days of blockchain technology, but did not gain significant attention until 2017, when the Ethereum blockchain was used to create and trade NFTs using ERC 721 standard, which is a free open standard that describes how to build NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. This allowed for the creation of unique digital assets that could be bought, sold, and traded on the blockchain. So, what is NFT? NFTs is a type of digital assets that can be used to represent ownership of a unique item, such as digital collectibles, artworks, or digital real estate, even tweets. Unlike traditional JPEG or MP3, NFTs cannot be replaced or exchanged for an identical copy. One of the most popular cases for NFTs is in the digital world. Artists can create and sell digital artworks as NFTs, giving buyers the ability to own a piece of digital art that is truly unique and cannot be replicated. In the past, digital art and other assets could be easily replicated and distributed, making it difficult for creators to profit from their work. With NFTs, creators can prove ownership and sell their work at a fair price. Because NFTs are created using blockchain technology, where a unique digital signature called a hash is added to the blockchain, this signature acts as a fingerprint for the NFT and provides its authenticity and links it to the blockchain, making it easy to track and verify ownership. NFTs have gained a lot of attention recently and have become a hot topic in the art world. Some people see them as the future of ownership, while others are skeptical. However, the NFT technology is still in its early stages, and there are still concerns about scalability, regulations, and the environmental impact of the NFT market. It will be interesting to see how the market develops and how NFTs are used in the future. Although NFT is increasingly gaining popularity and are now being used in various industries. Overall, NFTs are a unique and exciting development in the digital world. It will be interesting to see how they continue to evolve and be used in the future. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell not to miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching.